continue to follow her trek. Pretty impressive.
Yeah, very impressive. Taking a look at this system that is expected to bring a slight chance of rain here in the valley, a higher chance of rain in our mountain communities later on this evening, but those conditions look like they will clear up overnight. However, we are tracking more rain tomorrow evening, headed into Saturday morning as well. But tracking that first system, it looks like it'll reach Fraser Park and Tehachapi by this afternoon, with it covering Lake Isabella, Tehachapi, and Fraser Park by around 8 p.m. with some of that rain reaching us here in Bakersfield. It looks like those showers will linger in those overnight hours with some scattered showers tomorrow early in the morning as well. But this system doesn't look like it'll bring a lot of rain, just a couple hundredths of an inch here in Bakersfield, a quarter of an inch at the Grapevine, and a tenth of an inch in Tehachapi. But looking at those temperatures you can expect, well, we are seasonal today, 69 as that high, dipping down to those 50s overnight tomorrow. Those rain chances continue, but we are looking at those 70s returning to the valley. 73 on Saturday. However, those 80s return on Monday ahead of more rain chances on Tuesday and breezy conditions. In the Kern River Valley, we're reaching those mid-60s, dipping down to those 40s overnight. Those mid-60s continue. However, we are looking at those upper 60s and then 70s for the weekend. Tehachapi 56 as that high, dipping down to those 40s overnight. Mid-50s continue, then those 60s for your Saturday. Mid-50s in Fraser Park today, dipping down to those 30s overnight, mid-50s again tomorrow, but then those 60s with that slight chance of rain in the morning on Saturday, but conditions will clear by the daytime.
All right, still to come here on 23, there are new details this morning surrounding the deadly Ethiopian plane crash. We're looking into a new report that was just released and what officials say caused it to nose into